What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Are you over holiday books, or are you thirsty for more? It is a holiday movie, for sure. It's called Home Alone, and if you don't remember this, oh man, you're missing out. Your childhood wasn't filled. This is a John Hughes story, which are always problematic now if you watch them. And you can see here, we got a holiday book of the Home Alone story. The Macaulay Culkin character, the Pesci character. And look at this, it's hardcover. And there is the iconic house and the old man. I just thought I'd take a look at this because obviously you can watch the movie, which was awesome. And you can see the family getting ready. It's not exactly a Christmas poem. 'Twas 3 nights before Christmas, and the McCallister family was getting ready to leave for vacation. Everyone was busy packing. But it is the movie in a child book format. Man, these pictures are great. There's so much. They're so full. It's pretty amazing. Everyone except Kevin, who was busy getting into trouble, goes straight to bed. Oh, you know the story. He wakes up, because everyone was getting in the buses to go to the airport. And the family was gone. Look at this. He was living life, living large. But guess what? There were prowlers. And you know what happens. Kevin defends his house. Look at this, man. It's like the whole movie. His battle plan. It's kind of amazing, actually. Because I don't feel like the book is that long. But it just goes to show you fill a lot of stuff in when you're shooting a movie. Say hello to my little friend. Oh, and they're back together. Hey, I don't want to give you any spoiler alerts, but if you want to relive the Home Alone movie in book format, share it this holiday, pick this book up. I will put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.